Oh, oh, oh. Some people get their pages before they breathe, even cry at a sad movie like they already know. Do you know what it is to be from the ghetto, where your book is written and the ink runs slow? Your scars are plain to you like your name on glass. They look right through the wound and they call it class. Pain darker than theirs, but they never see a life they said was empty still carries me. Mother, father, young and old, all that weight we hold. Brothers, friends, one long road walking on broken code. Front doors covered in darkness, still we stand inside. Same shame on the tongue, same truth in our eyes. Blood written, my story won't fold. Blood written, we were told too early. Blood written, still we rise from the cold. Still we rise. Blood written, but we won't stay buried. No role model at the corner, just the same old pain. Everybody preaching hurt like it's some kind of name. Look for work, they block you just by where you stand. You could build a dream with steel and still get denied that chance. Every ghetto got rich names on the map in gold, but they choose to call it broken, leave the whole thing cold. They don't see the hands that raised us or the mouths we fed. Only count the rubber, never count the bread. Mother, father, young and old, all that weight we hold. Brothers, friends, one long road walking on broken code. Front doors covered in darkness, still we stand inside. Same shame on the tongue, same truth in our eyes. Blood written, my story won't fold. Blood written, we were told too early. Blood written, still we rise from the cold. Still we rise. Blood written, but we won't stay buried. If my name sounds heavy, it's because I survived. If my face looks tired, it's because I stayed alive. They wrote it in the shadow, tried to call it fate, but a heart can tear the page and make a new first day.